Welcome back to the video. Today we're unboxing, setting up, reviewing, and demoing Monkey Business. Now this has been a long-awaited unboxing. This is one of the first animatronics I was trying to get this year, but our store isn't out of stock with him. So today, imagine that the box broken. Him and Granny in the same issue. Speaking of Granny, when I went to the store today, Granny was actually broken. So that's good. I'm pulling out of the box right now. There you go. First thing you see is the box itself. Oh, there's the lid. Okay. Abundance of clothes. Arm. Shoulder frame. This is my first crazy crate this year. Shoe. Good rant. Love that. Rant. Good quality. Both shoes. Same shoe. That's the monkey head. I'm gonna wait a second on that. This is the clown's head. I'm gonna wait a second for that. A box piece, hip frame, control box, adapter, hands, various poles in the mechanism. I'm gonna open this up and look. All right, parts list is as follows: head, pants, hat instructions, neck ruffle, shirt, control box, shoulders, hip loop, box pieces, adapter, shoes, hands, monkey head, his base, 2 arms, various leg poles, main mechanism, the box, and his 2 shoes. Let's get to the setup. So first, you take the base. Now it's a very SVI-esque setup, just with a couple of weird parts here and there. B and C poles. Alright, C pole goes on. If you're facing it, it's your right, and then B pole goes if you're facing it, your left. Now take your D and E poles. And D will attach to C. Then E will attach to B. I'm assuming because that looks straight. Then put the pants on. Okay, put the shoes on before the pants. I realized in time, fortunately. There's Velcro in the back of the pants. And then there's a little hole right there in the front. That's how you know. A lot of people actually mess that part up. Now take its hip joint with control box and snap lock it down. Can't remove this film. Alright. Then you will want to put the hip loop on, but don't pull up the pants quite yet. Next, I'm gonna finish the clown first before I do work on the box. So, so I lied. This, no, is it? Okay. H. Okay, I see. H is his pole. It says to the box. It says to him. And then you attach this. And it's big and smaller. The head's supposed to lean more forward, so like that. And then the head will just snap right onto that. Oh, he's almost too tall for down here. He does fit though, in fact. Indeed, he does fit. Okay, yeah, the ceilings down here are kind of low. Alright, assembled. I'm gonna put the clothes on, put his arms on. Alright, should look something like this. Arm label N goes on its right. The other arm will go on its left. Hand labeled Q goes on its left. And then hand label R goes on its right. Now, you attach. What is this? Oh, that's right. The sense is goofily down here. Forgot about that. Okay. Anyways, attach the part labeled J. Oh, first pull up the pants all the way to the hip loop. Alright. So, J pull will go through the hole in the shirt, pull through the pants, then attach inside of there. Honestly, that part looks terrible. Okay, anyways, attach the mechanism. Just pull knot label as J. It'll go in like this. And then pole labeled L will attach to the pole labeled K. I hope that's right. Then put your monkey head on the top. Okay, I'm gonna try to. Okay, once you looks like I didn't show bit in the box. Sorry about that. My phone died. So, box is super easy. You have these bell piece comes out of his pants. You attach the motor label K. K label will be on his left. And you attach his other pole, which splits and has two ends. You open up the box. Then you put the fronts on these things. There's little elastic bands. Right there. Now with the back one, don't want to go quite all the way down because the lid just gets caught in the mouth. And then the monkey, put on before the box, but it's just a snap on, and then you have the neck ruffle. Then you put the actual box on, but very easy setup. Oh, and the arms just kind of have little holes right here to slide in. Very easy. Yes, let's get to his demo.
Monkey see, monkey Oh, hey, ready for the surprise? Don't worry, he doesn't bite too hard. curious what's in the box. There was this monkey! More clowning around. It's time for monkey business.
I'm gonna have him jump up one more time, and then I give him my thoughts. Hey, yeah, because most jump scare, basically all jump scare chance you want to leave in the up position or jump down position. He's cool. Nice quality, nice metal base. Shoes are completely hard plastic. Body shape's good. There's no foam, but it still looks pretty good. It's nice quality. His shirt, especially, I think it's very nice quality too. It is latex. It's sweet latex. It won't be drive out as bad, I guess. Monkeys has plastic. The boss is a little finicky putting on, so it doesn't get caught in his mouth. And the hands can fall out. I have had it happen already once. But yeah, great animatronic. Definitely use a discount on him. He's a little expensive. Anyways, thanks for watching. That's how I sign out. Thanks.